Welcome, everybody, and thank you so much for taking time out of your morning to join us today on our JobNimbus 101 workshop. I'm so excited to have you here with us, and it's going to be an exciting bit of news here we have for you. As you all know, I'm Dan.
And I'm Ivy. I'm so excited to be here. So today we'll be talking about iOS notifications on the new mobile app, specifically iOS. So what's so great about notifications is, when you're out on the field, you have so much going on. You don't have time to always be on the phone chatting. When you have notifications on your phone, you'll be able to stay on top of notifications. You'll know when you're assigned a job or a task. And if others tag you in a note, you'll be able to see that as well.
Yep. Yeah, communication is pretty key in companies. And so we want to make sure that you are always on top of that communication, even if you're out in the field. And so before we get into the mobile app, we actually want to talk about how you receive notifications and the different notification types you can receive using the web app. So let me jump into there real quick. To get to your notification preferences, you'll want to first click on your profile icon and select Profile from the drop-down menu. And then scroll down to where you see notifications. These are all the different notification types that you can receive through JobNimbus. So you can receive reminders about tasks you have that day. This is an email that's sent to you every morning and will give you a daily digest of everything you need to do. That way you can always stay on top of your to-do list. You can receive notifications about assigned contacts, jobs, tasks, or work orders, depending on what you have enabled in your settings. And all this will let you know if you're not talking to the client right then and creating their contact out in the field, you'll know if you've been assigned to help out with that client. And my by far favorite is at mentions. You'll receive notifications of when someone has created a note in a contact or a file, and they've mentioned you. This will really help your entire team stay on the same page and will clear up communication. Now, the two different ways that you can receive notifications are through email, which is really self-explanatory. JobNimbus will shoot you out an email. You can find it in your inbox. Click on the link and it'll take you back to JobNimbus where you can look at that contact, job, or task. Or push. This is where JobNimbus will push a notification onto your mobile device and into your notification centers. So on iOS, you'll see the notification center and you can look at all your different notifications. On Android, which this isn't coming out to Android yet, but soon, you'll see it as a banner. And it won't go away until you say, hey, I've looked at this enough already. I'm swiping it away. Get out of my face. So with that, now that we understand the different types of notifications we can receive and the ways that we can receive them through JobNimbus, let's actually go into the mobile app.
Perfect. Okay, so now what's so great about the new mobile app, the feature, you can now turn on notifications directly from the app. So if you just go to Account on the bottom right, under Preferences, tap on Notifications, you'll be able to toggle on and off these notification types. So contact assigned, job, task, work order assigned, and when your app mentioned in a note. So there's two places that you can find the notification. As Dan mentioned, there's the notification center. So you'll be able to see all the notifications there. You can either swipe it away or tap on it and it'll take you directly to the job or task. And then next to the bell, the second place is next to the bell, there's a little badge. This shows you the unread notification. So you just tap on that, and I'm not sure if you caught that, but there was a blue dot next to the top one. That indicates that it hadn't been read yet. And here you can filter out the different type of notifications. You can show all of them, which it'll display the most recent or 100 most recent notifications. And then you can just filter them out by at mentions, jobs, work orders, contacts, tasks. And then you can just tap into it. We'll take you into the task details. And then let's find a job. Oh, we don't have a job. Oh, there we go. Jobs. There we go. And it'll take you directly to the job.
Yeah, and so we want to make sure that receiving notifications was easy for you because we understand how important it is for you to stay on top of your communications. But now that we've talked about how the different ways that you can receive notifications through the mobile app, let's talk about how you can notify your own team members. And the best way to do that, like I've said, is through notes and app mentions. So here we are, we're in Phil Jackson because I've been working with Phil Jackson a lot, and I've actually been working with Megan, keeping in contact with her. And I need to let her know that the job is done. So we'll click on the blue plus button, and then we'll select note. You see that little blue @ symbol in the bottom? If we click on that, it'll pull up a drop down of all of our team members. I can scroll through to see every single team member that I can notify. Or I can just click on Megan because I need to talk to her. And the job is done, so I just need to tell her, hey, so this is done. Dune. Wow. There we go. This is done. So there we go. And when I save it, she will then receive a notification in her mobile app telling her that I've sent her that note. She can go into her notifications and read her app mentions, and then even click on click on that notification to take her into the contact so she can get a full picture of what's been going on. Now, like we've said many times, here at JobNimbus, our main reason for being here is to make sure that you are the star role in your company, that you are the hero. And we really hope that using notifications on your mobile device, you'll be able to stay on top of your communication even out in the field. You'll stay on the same page with your team members. And when you're all in communication together, that's when your company will really level up. If you have any feedback that you want to give us about the new app, go ahead and click on account and then click on leave feedback. This will send an email to our product managers. So let us know what you want to see in the mobile app, what will make your life easier. We have other resources for you to help give you that level up that you need. For one, we have the crew. If you go to jobnimbus.com/events, you can register for one of our crew events. Now, the crew is really cool. I love the crew because you get to come out to our office here in Utah and hang with us for a few days. Not only that, you get to hang out with like-minded individuals in your industry. You get to talk to them about how they're using JobNimbus to really level up their company, get ideas so that you can use JobNimbus and give your company that level up. You can talk to our product managers, our dev team, to tell them what you want to see in JobNimbus, what you need in our software to give you that level up. We also have more webinars coming. We're going to keep this mobile trend going by talking about the Android app, which is out now. So if you're not using iOS and you're using Android, hey, no frets. We're going to be talking about it all next month. We're going to start out with getting to know your Android app, and then we're going to go into more detail. You see that little question mark there? That's our resource center. It's on the website application. So if you log into JobNimbus on the website, you'll see it in the bottom left corner. If you open it up, you'll be amazed at how much we have for you there. Not only that, we have more webinars on YouTube. On our YouTube channel, you go to there, you'll see JobNimbus 101 workshops as a playlist. Click on it. All of our webinars are there. We also have other helpful videos for you to help you out in your business. If you want to read articles, we have so many articles for you. This will really help you get to know the ins and outs of JobNimbus. Go to our support center at support.jobnimbus.com. And if you want to talk to a live person, we have that too. Our support team is more than happy to help you with any question that you have. So there's our number. Give them a call. We thank you all for coming and learning more about the mobile app. We hope that this will help make your life easier. And we wish you all a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. You're all amazing. Thank you, everyone, for joining.
Thank you.